I'm Engine Cadet Lantar.
I'm Engine Cadet Sena.
I'm Engine Cadet Cañete.
I'm Engine Cadet Codines.
I am Engine Cadet Bora.
Heat and temperature. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that is transferred between two substances of a different temperatures. Temperature. Temperature describes the average kinetic energy of molecules within a material or system, and it is measured in Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit.
See, I have here a lighter, a spoon, and an ice. This lighter can make heat, and let's see the changes of temperature. Let's put some ice on the spoon and do this. As you can see, the ice melt. And after this, from 0 to 0 degrees, it makes 100% it makes the boiling point.
What is measurement? Measurement is the determination of the size and magnitude of something by comparing the unknown quantity of some standard quantity. The equal nature known as the measured unit, size, length, or amount of something that is established by measuring.
This is Berner caliper, usually used to measure the diameter of the circle object.
Example, this is a circle angle of PVC pipe. To get the millimeter of this is for outer side, and this is for inner side, and this is for how the deeper the angle circle.
What is force and motion?
A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the interaction with another object. Motion is a change of position of an object with respect and the surrounding in interval of time. This is the example of force and motion. When I push this object, it will create a force and motion.
What is fluid statics? Fluid statics is the branch of fluid mechanics that studies incompressible fluid at the rest. So this is the example of fluid statics. So come here. And let me show you. When I put this water bottle into the pool, look. The water bottle is immediately feel the force of water pushing against the water bottle. And this increased pressure the bottle of the due to the weight of the water, conforming to the hydrostatic pressure equation. So this is the example of fluid statics.
What is kinematics? Kinematics is a study of the motion of mechanical points, bodies, and systems, without consideration of their associated physical properties and the forces acting on them. The study is often referred to as the geometry of motion, and it models these motions mathematically using algebra. Example, I am driving this motorcycle at 6.5 meters per second. At 8 seconds, I arrive my final destination at 8 seconds.
Heat is
This is
Go. Motion is the change of position an object.
asa ito murag
Alam, pre.
go.
Motion. Alam, pre.
wala lagi pa.
Katawa. Ay, katawa sa nasakta. Ang motion. Ay, may pagnilang.
We use
Encompasses
Paul. Go. What is kinematics? Ay, kini.
Go.
The study is of
Yan na.
rest.
The study is often referred ay walay.